one of these two mistakes we make as a parent. Number one, trying to be a perfect parent. Number two, trying to raise perfect children. Remember, all of us are human beings and we can and we do make mistakes. Instead of perfection, let's practice acceptance. Step 1. Accept your own mistakes in front of your child. Set an example in front of your children. Step 2. Be more patient, gentle, and accept when your child makes mistakes. Let's not try to have a perfect relationship of our dreams with our children. But let's have a real and a beautiful one. Let's strive to have a healthy relationship with our children. Let's accept each other. Leave a heart in the comment box if it helps.